Hey, story explorers, guess what time it is? That's right, it's cat painting time! Let's paint a cat!
We're going to draw Pete the Cat on a skateboard today. And the first thing we do is we decide where Pete the Cat's going to go. So Pete the Cat is going to go right in here. And Pete the Cat's head is an oval shape like that. And then his body is a rectangle like that. Does that look like Pete the Cat? Not yet. Then Pete the Cat's legs are two upside down V shapes right there. And his ears are triangles, and his tail is a line like this, a curvy line. And Pete's eyes are going to be right here. And his nose is a triangle right there. We're going to put a bunch of blue paint right at the top. And then we're going to use the spray bottle and spray some water on it. So this is acrylic paint. And it's a lot like watercolor. Then the sidewalk is right down here at the bottom. So we're going to make a yellow sidewalk. While we're painting with yellow, we might as well make Pete's eyes yellow. Now for the grass. We're going to leave a white space where the skateboard is. Now we'll let that dry a little bit. And we'll go back to Pete the Cat. He has a really long tail today. Do you see Pete? I'm starting to see Pete. So let's paint Pete's pupils. They're triangles, and they're right there. Two triangles. And now I think we can paint the skateboard. Red and green are complementary colors, so they look really nice together, don't you think? I see two things that are missing. Do you see two things that are missing? Wheels. Whiskers. So that was easy. Are you ready to paint your own painting?